Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Windows 10 full screen in VirtualBox. So guys, you can see that I have this Windows 10 operating system running in this VirtualBox. So if I go to my view in this menu and then click on this full screen mode and click on this switch button. So guys, here you can see the black spaces around this Windows 10 operating system, and it's not in full screen. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. Okay, so let me go back to window mode, and guys, you need to install the guest editions. Okay, so to do that you have to go to this devices and click on this insert guest editions CD image. Click on that, and here we have this notification. Click on that and just click on this run VBox Windows Editions. Okay, this executable. And just click on this yes. Here we have this wizard. Okay, so click on this next, click on install button. So guys, you can see that we are installing the guest editions, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay guys, so it's now installed. So just click on this finish to reboot this system. As you can see guys, it's restarting. As you can see, we are now logging in. Let me close this message. We are now logged in. Okay guys, so if you go to this view and click on this full screen mode, click on this switch button, you can see guys, we are now in full screen. Okay, there is no black spaces around the Windows 10 operating system. Okay, so, and you can go back to window mode. If you bring down your mouse over here, you will see the menu. So here we have this option. If you click on that, you will go to the window mode. Okay, and if you go to view, and you can also click on this adjust window size, you can adjust it. As you can see, you can adjust it over here very easily. Okay, and also you can go to window mode by using these options. You can see the virtual machine window will be now switched to full screen mode. You can go back to window mode at any time by pressing host plus F. Okay, so note that the host key is currently defined as right control, and note that the main menu bar is hidden in full screen mode. You can access it by pressing host plus home button. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can go back to window mode by using the keys. Okay, so I'm pressing the right control plus F. You can see we are now back in window mode. So guys, in this way you can make Windows 10 full screen in VirtualBox. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.